I'm diving in the deep blue. I am looking for you tonight. I'm diving in the deep blue. I am looking for you, my love. I don't like it when we're fighting.
Also, it's like almost 9 a.m. right now. I'm just trying to get an early start to the day. I've been doing stuff for about like 2 hours now, I think, and I'm just trying to be super productive. Okay, so I just shot this adorable setup with like these blueberries and these kiwis. I ate some of the blueberries already, and I had some of the flowers over here and stuff. There's these really cute cookbooks behind it, so I got a few different angles with that on the film camera. Next, I have this really cute blazer that I love. I got it at a thrift store for like $5.50, and I have these roses I got from Trader Joe's for like $5. And oops, I'm dropping stuff. I'm going to figure out a couple of cute things to do with these, so I will show you guys a little bit of the BTS right now. Okay, I think I'm going to trim the flowers a tiny bit because they're a little bit too long for what I want. So I just kind of am going to play around with it until I find something that I like. I want it to be, I don't know, maybe something like that. I'm thinking maybe sticking the flowers in here, like up the sleeve, and we'll see how that works.
Cause you always make me cry, yeah. I'm diving in the deep blue.
Through the camera.
I am looking for you. Cause you're the one.
I have these glasses that I'm going to put in the photo, and then I trimmed these, so I'm going to put these back in the sleeve, kind of like spread them out a little bit so that it's not all the same height. Okay, I think that that might be a little bit better, and let's take some photos. I am setting up a photo right now that I'm trying to take. So I have these red roses, my podcasting mic back there, and my camera is set up on a tripod, and I'm going to use the Canon Connect app to take the photos.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for.
Okay, so I never measure anything out, but I have broccoli, bell pepper, onions, green onions, cilantro, and spinach cooking up in here. And then once it gets pretty much done, then I'm going to add 2 eggs from my sister's chickens. I'm going to add a little bit of this garlic salt, which is super good. Okay, and then I'm just going to crack these 2 eggs and put them in there. Okay, and then I like to top it with just a little bit of sriracha. I wanted to give you guys an update on my poetry book. I know that I have talked about it before on this channel, and I will link the video above if you want to check out the announcement video for it. Basically, I am still putting everything all together. There's a lot of decisions to be made when you are self-publishing, so I am organizing it all right now. I have separated all the chapters, and I'm trying to figure out the order that I want each poem to go into, the font that I want it to come out in, and just little details like that, making sure all the poems that I have pictures for have the correct images. And I'm just so excited and I'm loving the process. But as you can see, you know, I'm a one-man team, and so I have a binder where I have all of my information, and I just use that to keep everything really organized. All my thoughts, ideas, final products, everything like that go in there. Okay, so I just pulled up to Home Depot. It's like 7:15 right now, and they close at 8. It's Sunday. But I am going to pick up a couple of things. I'm looking for like bare piece of wood that I can stain and make a shelf in my mom's laundry room. And then I'm also looking for the brackets to just hold up the shelf. They're just kind of like that L shape. So we're going to look for that. And then, of course, I have to look at the house plants because, you know, we're at Home Depot. So let's go check that out and see if they have what we need.
All this fussing and fighting just drives me crazy. But you know I'll do anything for you, baby. 'cause you're the one I want.
How beautiful these babies are. I love them. Okay, so I got these for my plants, and then I did get a board. I'm gonna take it home and show you. Awesome. So I am back from Home Depot. I bought the board that I showed you guys, and my total was like $14. I'm not sure what the exact measurements are, but I'll put them on the screen here. And then I also got just 2 little like plastic water drip trays for some of my house plants. So right now I'm going to get this baby ready to wood stain. And I love wood staining things. I'll show you a couple of the other things that like, I'm going to do it with this color. I wood stained these, and then another wood stain that I tried, it's this color, and that was in the, let's see, semi-transparent golden oak. And I really thought that I would like this one, but I don't. I'm going to try it in a couple of different other things, but I didn't love it. This is the one that I really like, and it's the dark walnut, and that's like this color, and that's what I want the shelf to be. So I'm going to prep that stuff right now and hopefully stain it. And I grabbed some paper towels that I'm going to use. You can also use like an actual towel, but for this I'm just going to use paper towels. I like the result of that a little bit more. So let's get started. Also, just a little disclaimer, always leave a lot of ventilation when you are using wood stain because it has a lot of chemicals and stuff in it, so make sure you have a lot of airflow. I pre-measured the space that the shelf is going to go in, and it's 1 foot by 29 inches. So I'm going to measure on this board right now and just mark it because I don't want to stain the whole board because I only have this little thing of this dark walnut wood stain, so I want to save as much as I can. But I'm going to mark it with a little pencil and just use measuring tape right now to measure that out, mark it, and then I will stain that. And then I'm going to take it to my dad and see if I can use his skill saw to cut it exact to the 29 inches that I need, because that's just going to be a lot easier. So I'm excited though, and I want to stain it right now with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, I'm actually going to use my sewing ruler, but it only goes to 24 inches, so I'm going to have to mark that and then slide it over and mark it at the 29 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Real quick, here is a close-up of the wood stain that I'm using on this. So if you like it, it is the dark walnut, and this is the brand. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now, and that was my second side. I did already do this side. I'm just waiting for it to dry now.